Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add paragraphs in iMovie on iPhone. The first thing you will need to do is open iMovie. Next, you are going to tap on Movie, and from here you will select the video that you would like to edit. So let's say I select this video right here, then tap on Create Movie. Now you are going to simply press down on the video and it will carry you to the front of the timeline. And by the way, if you want to add multiple paragraphs in different sections, what I would recommend you do is simply pull the video along the timeline, then select the sections that you would like to add video. For example, let's say I want to add time one right here. I'll simply tap on the timeline. Then I'm going to tap on the scissors icon. Then I'll select split. So you want to split up the video into multiple sections if you want to add paragraphs in different areas. After you're finished doing that, you're going to tap on the section that you would like to add the paragraphs to. Then tap on the T in the bottom right hand corner. And from here you're going to scroll along and select standard. You want to select standard. After you have selected standard, you can tap on any one of the options that you see in the timeline right there, either the title text at the top with the smaller font or the one in the middle with the larger font, and you are going to tap on edit. And from here you can type in the paragraph that you want to use, or I've already typed up one in my notes, so I'll simply copy and paste it. I would recommend you do that as it is much easier. You can simply go into notes and simply tap on it anywhere. For example, right here, as you can see, and you'll simply tap on select all. Then you'll copy it. After you have done that, you'll simply go back into iMovies and you're going to simply tap on the title section, tap on edit. Then you'll clear it. Then you're going to press down on the blank space and press paste, and then you can clear the other text options, for example the one at the top, by tapping on it, then select edit, then you'll clear it. Then tap at the one on the bottom, select edit, then clear it. And you can also change the text color by tapping on the text, then selecting the color circle in the bottom left hand corner right beside the capital and common A. Then that's it, as you can see right there. And that's how to add a paragraph or add paragraphs in iMovie. And you can do this in whichever section you like, as you can see right there. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.